Allwei powers up, balcony energy storage set to transform urban living and off-grid independence. Allwei Power is at the forefront of a booming market in balcony energy storage systems, offering city dwellers a compact, plug-and-play solution for harnessing and storing solar energy. With projections forecasting the market to reach nearly $15 billion by 2031, Allwei's PPS 2400 portable power station stands out with its advanced energy capacity, lightning-fast UPS functionality, and seamless app integration. It's designed for versatility, from urban households to outdoor adventures, empowering users to save on electricity costs and reduce reliance on traditional grids. Backed by favorable European policies like Germany's solar package and surging consumer interest, the adoption of balcony energy systems has skyrocketed. Allwei's innovations tap into a growing demand for affordable, DIY-friendly, and sustainable power options that align with smart home trends and environmental goals. With falling costs and rising solar capacity, balcony energy storage is quickly becoming the fastest-growing segment of household power solutions.